This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. In this 2-minute video, I offer my perspective on a $33 wide-angle and macro attachment by Altura that I put on my Panasonic Lumix G85 with its kit lens. I took off the little filter. There's the adapter there for macro. You take off the front element and the back element becomes a macro. So I'm going to do a little test of the wide angle and the macro. Hope you like it. Here's a standard shot at 18 millimeters with my kit lens on my Lumix G85. I'm showing you how wide I can get with my standard lens at 18 millimeters. Here I am walking into the scene here. I'm walking in, ambling in, and this is with the wide angle adapter. I'm going to stretch my arms out to show you, give you a frame of reference, and I'm going to show you also how it stays in focus. It's, adjust the focus automatically with the camera, and you can get, my ugly mug in there, and I can, readily, focus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below the description. Now we took off the front element, and now we're shooting with only the macro lens adapter. Don't forget, this is a $33 budget option. It's not a $500 macro or a wide-angle lens or a $1,500 wide-angle lens by Lumix, by Panasonic, Zeiss, or some other manufacturer, Olympus, all those different manufacturers that have some super fine lenses. If you're doing a professional production, I would recommend renting one of those lenses or buying one of those lenses, but for fun and for my RV videos, this is perfectly fine. Don't forget to check out my website, jmmgarza.com. And this is the end of the 2-minute video. I appreciate you watching. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.